In this question, you have to identify the cause of snow blindness in Antarctic region. Option A, high reflection of light from snow. Now, while snow does reflect a lot of light, which contributes to the problem, but the main cause of snow blindness is not just the reflection of the visible light, but the damage which is being caused by the UV radiation. Hence, this is incorrect. Option B, damage to retina caused by infrared rays. This is also incorrect, as infrared rays do not contribute to snow blindness. Option C, freezing of fluids in eye by low temperature. Now, this is also incorrect, as freezing of fluids in the eyes does not cause snow blindness. Option D, inflammation of cornea due to high dose of UV radiation. Now, snow blindness or photokeratitis occurs when the cornea becomes inflamed due to overexposure to UV radiation, now which is reflected off the snow and the ice. Hence, it is the correct option.